We received this old shovel, which has certainly seen better days. The asphalt caked on the surface looks at least a couple years old and renders the shovel unusable, so we thought that Blue Bear's Beanie Doo Asphalt Remover would do the trick. Beanie Doo is low odor, biodegradable, and made with soybeans, so there's no health risks like many other chemical removers have. We first sprayed Beanie Doo onto half the surface and let it sit. It typically works on new asphalt within a few minutes, but we waited a little longer for this older asphalt. After about 20 minutes, you can see that the asphalt is starting to come off. We gave it a couple more sprays, which made the rest of the removal easy. Halfway there, and you can see the dramatic difference between each side. A little rusty, but this shovel will look much better when we're all finished. We sprayed the other side a few times, which started to come off easily after only 5 minutes. After finishing up, the difference is clear. An older shovel, but it is now usable for other projects thanks to Blue Bear Beanie Doo Asphalt Remover. You can find more information on Beanie Doo and order online at franmar.com.